So the next is deleting a node. So if you choose the third one, that is to delete a node, what it will do, it will directly move to the case 3. In that we have assigned p is equals to, that is q is equals to p, means the value of p is there, that will be assigned here. The value of p is there, so this all p will be assigned to the q. The whole thing will be assigned to the q. Here what happens, q is assigned to p, enter the roll number to be deleted. If we enter roll number, for example 2, then what happens, it will search the roll number. It will search the roll number in the linked list and it will assign the temp value to p. For example, if we find the roll number, p is here. For example, if we find the roll number 2, then what happens, it will assign temp is equals to p, means what, the value of temp will be to a b. See here, it will assign temp is equals to p, that is this one, p equal to p next, means what, this is there, it will move to here, that is it will p equal to p next, means what, it will move here, and then after moving p here, it will tell that to delete the temp, means what, this portion is there, it will be deleted. So like this it will get deleted, and here it will assign the arrow mark like this, means what, the temp will be free of. So like this they had given, means what, it will search the number, roll number. If it is not there, it will if it is not there, it will show it is not there, node not found. If it is there, then what it will do, it will free that temp, or else it will keep on searching. Okay, here it will search if roll number, if it finds the variable, if it finds the node, then what happens, it will free it, else what it will do, it will start keep on traversing it. Temp equal to p next, it will start searching till the temp is equals to null, means what, it will start searching the roll number. Is roll number 2 is equals to 1, no, false, then it will move next, it will move next, like this. Using while loop, it will start looping and it will start searching. If it finds, then again it will free that. Free means what, it will delete that. So at the end, if temp is equals to null is there, then what happens, it will display node not found. In simple way I'll tell you, not much confusion. Here what it will do, it will assign the q is equals to p, that means what, it will assign the linked list to q, and after that q what it will do, it will take the roll number, enter roll number is there, that will be assigned to key. Roll number is searched with the, if we find out the roll number, it will delete that node. If it does not find out, then what it will do, it will keep on traversing. Traversing means what, each node will be searched. Here using the while loop, it will start searching each node. If it finds the node, then it will delete. Here free temp is there, it will delete. If it doesn't find, then it will display node not found. Okay, so here one more is there, roll number to be searched. Next what it will do, p is what, a linked list, it will be assigned to q, and after that what it will do, here it will start searching. Roll number is, enter the roll number to be searched. If I given 2 roll number, it will start searching from the linked list. Q is what, a linked list, it will start searching. Okay, if it finds, then what it will do, it will display search successful. If it doesn't find till the end, that is till null. If it doesn't find, means end of the list is what, null. If it doesn't find, then it will display search unsuccessful. And here the last one is what, q is assigned to p, p means what, this linked list, same thing. what it will do, if nothing is there, then it will display node is empty. If it is there, then using while loop, it will start displaying one by one value, that is roll number and name. In simple words, QP, whatever it is the linked list, and we are assigning basically to Q the linked list, and we are making this operation. So starting it will be difficult. Keep on watching the videos for 3 times 4 times, then you will understand. Why? Because it is complicated. Why it is complicated here? Because it is a struct node is there, next is there, so these are little bit of complicated. Here roll number is there, which is pointing to the this one, name is there, and these are the variables which are pointing to this. Understood? And here we are inserting the nodes one by one, and P is assigned to that. So these all things are there. You need to see that once again. You need to refer that. So like this it is there. Thank you.